guys, today we're going to be making slime. So first, we're going to need some glue. This magical liquid, which is supposed to be slime activator. A mixing tool. And any type of metal thing. So first, we're going to have to add some glue. Add as much as you want. I'm just going to add a little. Anyways, I've added the glue in case if you want to add any color, but if you're doing the color, then just add the coloring. I'm just going to mix it a little bit. You're going to add activator. I'm just going to add a little bit because if you add a lot, it's going to overactivate and it's going to be super rippy and it's probably going to turn back to a normal liquidy-ness spot. This amount of activator, this is the amount I added. You don't have to add that same amount, but I'm just going to mix it up. And make sure when you mix it up, it starts clumping. Cause you want that for your slime. A little more activator, but that's okay. Add a little shaving cream to make your slime fluffy. And yes, it did kind of make a little melt, so I will add a little more activator. It should be clumping up like this. It should look like this kind of. I added a little shaving cream to make it better. Oh my gosh, look at this. Okay, hold on. Let me get kneading this. It's so good. So slimy. And so squishy. Such a good slime. So basically I added lots of activator into here because it was just not puffing up after I added the leftover shaving cream. So I just had to add lots of activator and I finally got my fluffy slime. I do have other slimes. Hold on, let me go get that real quick. It's super rippy and also I didn't have any shaving cream into it. So of course it didn't foam up or foamy. I just used a super foamy texture shaving cream to make this, and this just glue and activator, which is super rippy. So this is why you should probably add foam to make it stretchier and super fluffy. Hope this had a great tutorial. Goodbye and slime out.